made this trim, or what you want to call it. It's gonna be about here in this area, and this is 12 millimeters thick birch plywood. These are 45 degrees. It's gonna be somewhere here. Yeah, I'll just make a few more of these plywood trims and then we can glue these together. Next thing to do is wall for the shower area. I'm going to use the same stuff we have on the walls and on the ceiling, but I'm not gonna install it like this, or I'm not gonna install it like this. Install it like this, because I want to paint the surface, and you cannot really paint this. The paint won't stick it to the surface so well, so I just added a few blocks more to support the wall, because in this wall gonna be most of the stress, but in here where it's gonna be the bench, you're leaning back towards the wall, so I added a few more blocks here to prevent the bending of the ply in the wall. using Sikaflex to glue the panel to the frame, and also I use screws. Let's lay up the glue and stick the panel onto the frame. Now the first wall is glued and screwed in, and now I can start to do this wall. But yeah, let's take some measurements and let's see how big panel we need to install in here. Okay, now we have the walls installed, and I need to trim this edge with the router and see if these edges on the doorway need to be trimmed as well. The shower walls are now painted, and I can now focus on the storage in here. So yeah, I'm going to design the facing of the locker in here. So the front face is looking now pretty good. It fits. Okay, came out pretty good. Have a little issue with the router, but yeah, I'm happy with the result. I give it a light sand, and yeah, the surface is a little bit rough, so gonna add some filler, and then I can paint this same color as the wall in here, so it would match in here. I haven't installed the plywood inside the locker, so next thing is to install those, and then I can paint inside of the locker, and then I can install this, and then I can paint this as well.